Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. My dear student, today I am taking a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's lecture is short question part 6. My dear student, today is our last part of short question. In our previous part, that means from 1 to 5, we have already learned short question from 1 to 70. But today we shall learn short question number 71 to 79. My dear student, so short question number 1 to 79 will be your suggestion for your annual examination. So you must memorize this very carefully, okay, and you must understand this first. After that you memorize this. Okay, my dear students, today is our lecture number 39 of annual term, and today's HW number will be 38. So let us start our class. Our first number question 71. Okay, at first to read the question. Notice, find the prime number in 1, 7 and 12. My dear student, before starting to find out the prime number among 1, 7 and 12, we need to know what is prime number. What is the definition of prime number? We have already discussed about prime numbers a lot of times. Okay, what is prime number? Prime number means those number which is greater than 1. That means prime number must be greater than 1 and which has exactly two divisor, 1 and itself. Just like 3, it has two divisor, one is 1 and another is 3 itself. So if a number has just like two divisor, then that number is prime number. Just like 3. 5 also, 5 has 1 and 5, so it has only two divisor. For this reason we call 3, 5 both are prime number. Okay, so by similar way we find the prime numbers on 1, 7 and 12. From the definition we have already learned a number which is greater than 1. For this reasons 1 not be prime number. Okay, is not be prime number. So next one 7, 1 and 7, it has only two factors, 1 and itself. For this reasons we called 7 is a prime number. And the last one 12. My dear student, notice it has a lot of factors. Notice 1 and 12 itself, then 2 and 6, then 3 and 4. My dear student, it has a lot of factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 factors. For these reasons 12 is not prime number, it is composite number. It is composite number. As a result, from 1, 7 and 12, 7 is the prime number. I hope you have understood. Now write answer 7. Okay, 7 is the prime number. My dear student, next we shall solve question number 72. And at first we read the question. Notice, 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, we divide these two fraction. At first I write these two fraction, 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. My dear students, notice, at first what do you mean by division of a fraction by another fraction? Division of a fraction by another fraction means multiplication of first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. I repeat, division of one fraction by another fraction means multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. So first of all write the first fraction. Next we do multiplication here. For this multiplication, this fraction will be reversed. That means numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So here I write 3 by 2. So my dear students, now notice if any number is cut or not. Here 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. So there is no common factors number. For these reasons we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10. So if we divide first fraction with the second fraction, then we get 9 by 10 as the answer. So this is the answer. So answer is 9 by 10. I hope you have understood. My dear student, we shall go to our next question, question number 73. So question number 73, at first we read the question. Notice, how many seconds are there in 20 minutes? That means we want to convert this 20 minutes into second. In order to convert this 20 minutes into second, at first we want to know 1 minute equal to how many seconds. Okay, 1 minute equal to how many seconds. We are very smart learner. For these reasons we can easily understand that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Right, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 20 minutes equal to how many seconds? 20 minutes equal to, as 1 is less than 20 and 20 is greater than 1, for this reason multiplication will be happen. 60 multiplied by 20 second. My dear student, here we use easy multiplications method. How can notice here the numbers are 6 and 2 only, and 2 zeros are here. We consider we multiply only these two numbers, that means 6 and 2. If we multiply 6 with 2, then we get 6 2s are 12. And how many zeros left? There are 2 zeros, 1 and 2. Now we write this 2 0 here. Okay. Now we can easily find that we can write, we can get answer. Okay. 1200 seconds. Dear students, I repeat, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 20 minutes equal to how many seconds? For this reason, so we multiply 60 with 20 and we get the answer. Here we use easy multiplication method. First of all, we multiply with the number to number, that means 6 to 2. 6 2s are 12. After that we notice how many zeros are there, 1 and 2. So this 2 0 is written after 12. That means 1200 seconds will be in 20 minutes. Okay. So answer is 1200 seconds. Okay. Next one, a figure is given, we need to find out which figure is this. Okay. Notice, what is the name of the quadrilateral? What do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a figure which is bounded by 4 line segment. Which is bounded by 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. Okay. So what type of quadrilateral this is? What type of quadrilateral this is? So first of all we draw the figure. My dear student, when a quadrilateral has a set of parallel lines, then that figure is called trapezium. Notice this one and this one, this line and these lines are parallel line. As these two lines are parallel lines, so we can say the this line and these lines are a set of parallel lines which is in this figure. For this reason, so we can say that this figure is a figure of trapezium. This figure is a trapezium. I repeat, if quadrilateral which has a set of parallel lines, that figure is called a trapezium, as it has a set of parallel lines. For this reason, we call this figure is the figure of trapezium. So write here trapezium. Trapezium. Okay. Next, write the common factors of 3 and 6. My dear students, we need to write the common factors of 3 and 6. 3 is a prime number. For this reason, it has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So write 1 and 3. Again 6. 6 is a composite number, so it has many factors. So for this reason, we write first 1 and 6. Then 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. That means these are the factors. Factor means this 6 is divisible by this number. So here you notice, write the common factors of 3 and 6. So which number are common in 3 and 4 of factors? Notice here 1 and 1 is common. So 1 is the common number, and 3 is also common. So 3 is the common factor. So from 3 and 6, we notice that 1 and 3 is common. So write the common factors of 3 and 6. The answer will be 1 and 3. Write 1 and 3. I hope you have understood. Okay, my dear students. Now question number 76. Notice, find the average of 8, 0, 7 and 9. 8, 0, 7 and 9. There are 4 data are given. 4 data are given. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the formula of average? The formula of average is sum of quantities divided by the number of quantities. Now we write the formula first. Average equal to sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. Okay, sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. Here you notice how many data are there, how many quantities are there. 8, 0, 7 and 9. So at first we add this 8 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. Now how many quantities are there? Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 quantities. My dear students, please notice here, some of you neglect this 1, but it is wrong. If you don't count this 0 as a number, then if you don't count this 0 as a number, then it will be absolutely wrong and your answer will be wrong also. So how many data are there? There are 4 data, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and we add 8 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. Now we add 8 and 7 what? 8 and 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So repeat, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 8 and 7, 15. Then 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24 and 25. Okay, I hope you have understood. I repeat, 15, 15 and 9, 24 divided by this 4. Okay, I repeat, 8 and 7, 15, 15 and 9, 24. If we divide 24 by 4, then we get 4 6 are 24. So 6 is the average of 8, 0, 7 and 9. So I write 6 as the average of these given quantities. Next, question number 77. We divide 56 by the decimal fraction. Okay, so at first we write here 56 divided by 0.08. My dear students, notice 56 divided by 0.08. We divide this number by using this number as a fraction. At first we convert this fraction. Okay, 56 divided by, I write this number without point. For this reason I write here 8. For this point I give here 1 and after point there are 2 digit. For this reasons I give here 20. Okay, now we know every number has a denominator which is 1. For this reasons here I write 56 by 1. Now I do multiplication here and this 100 sign, this fraction will be reversed as division is happened. Now 8. Okay, now we cut 8 7s are 50, 8 7s are 56. Now we multiply 7 on the 7 and 0 0. That means 700 is the answer. That means 700 will be the quotient if we divide this two number. That means if we divide 56 by this number. Okay, my dear students. Next, question number 78. Here you notice Rana's total amount is 4 times of Molly's amount. Notice, Rana's total amount is 4 times of Molly's amount. If Molly has 20 taka, how much money does Rana have? Okay, so we need to find out the Rana's amount and Molly's amount is given, but another condition is given, which is Rana's total amount is 4 times of Molly's amount. That means we multiply Molly's amount with 4 and we get the Rana's amount. That means here Molly's amount is 20 and we multiply 4 times with this Molly's amount and we get the Rana's amount. That means 4 zeros are 0 and 4 twos are 8. That means 80 will be the answer. Okay, 80 taka. Dear students, now you will notice what is the sentence called when it is not determined whether it is true or false. That means a sentence which cannot be determined if it is true or false, then that type of sentence is called what? We have already learned this in our previous short question classes. That type of sentence is called open sentence. Please notice here, 2 is a word number. Sorry, 2 is an word number. Is it true or false? It is false. That means we can determine this sentence or statement is false sentence or false statement. For these reasons, we can say this is not open sentence. This is called closed sentence. On the other hand, if I write here x is an word number. Okay, you don't know the value of x. You don't know the value of x and we cannot determine it is true or false. So this type of sentence is called open sentence. So what is the sentence called when it is not determined whether it is true or false? Then the answer will be open sentence. Answer will be open sentence. Now my dear students, this is our today's short question, today's lecture. Dear students, I repeat, from short questions 1 to 79 will be your short suggestion, which we have already taken in our classes. So you must memorize this very carefully. Okay, you must memorize this very carefully. So from this 1 to 79 short question, 20 short questions will come. So you must memorize this very carefully. Okay, don't neglect this short question. So my dear students, you must, this is your SW also. That means from 71 to 79 will be your SW. You must do your assigned SW in your SW copy and don't do neglect to do SW. So you must do your assigned SW in your SW copy, submit it regularly by your guardians or any other person. And you have already know the importance of SW. Based on your SW, diary marks, city marks and SBA marks will be given. So you must submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.